I'm going to be reviewing this lavalier mic. This is Boya lavalier mic, MIBY, and I'll be reviewing this mic. So I got this mic from AliExpress. So it comes with this, and okay. So this is the mic. This is the mic I'm talking about. I love this mic. I got this mic, but I was kind of having double mind because it was difficult for me to use until I figured out how to use this mic. So I went through the leaflets and I read through and I was able to figure out how to use this mic. Okay, so it comes with battery. So this is where to put your battery. It comes with battery. Everything is packed in a nylon like this and it comes with the battery. You just have to fit the battery. Okay. And this is for camera. You just have to switch to cameras. And for smartphones, you just have to off it. Once it's off, it can work on smartphones, okay? But if it's not working on your smartphone, then no worries, okay? I'm going to show you two methods to use this mic on your smartphones, okay? It comes with this clip and this microphone foam, and I fixed everything by myself. And it comes with this, I think this is an adapter, but I don't know how to use this. I don't know, but it comes with this and a pocket friendly bag. Okay, if you want to go, can easily package your mic inside the bag and travel with it. So it's very okay. It's very nice. So I'm going to show you the two methods to use this mic. Okay, so let's get straight to the main video.